For most brands, YouTube, Google+, and LinkedIn are not, in sheer volume number, their highest sources of referral traffic from social media. However, in a recent report that just came out from Shareaholic, you can see the graphic next to me right now, this report says that though these sources may not necessarily be the highest sheer volume of traffic that brands are receiving, they are producing more engaged users in terms of time spent on site and number of pages visited, as well as the reverse indicator, which is bounce rate. They have lower bounce rates than Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, some social media sources which are traditionally seen as extremely high volume traffic sources in terms of social media referral traffic. So the question that I ask you today is, are LinkedIn and Google Plus places that you should spend more time, not because of the number of visitors that you'll get from them, because of the engagement that you'll get from them? More engaged users are applying more value to you as a content creator and to as a brand and a business, because they're taking more time of their own lives with your content, which ultimately means when you ask for the sale, there's a higher probability that those consumers, that those visitors are going to buy your product or at least give you a shot. Something to consider today when you're thinking about where you spend your time. We all have a finite amount of time to spend on social media. Don't use sheer volume of traffic to your site as the only indicator in where you should spend your time. Consider LinkedIn, Google+, and YouTube as possible sources, possible places for 2015 that you should be spending more time creating more content and ultimately driving more engaged users back to your website. My name is Ryan Hanley. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get more quick videos like this, learning all about how to use content marketing to grow your business. Thank you.